No. Hey, Ski, come here. Ski, come here. Yeah. Hey, where the fuck are you gonna put that? You're gonna kill him.
That's good.
No, dude, that's gonna wake him up, bro. No, you can't. You can't slow 60 fucking pounds. 75. Holy shit! Here goes
I'm gonna wake up with it on him.
Spin, son, spin. In the hand.
Hey, Corporal Sanders, get another firearm. No, stop.
Shit, I'm gonna wake him up anyway.
That's what happens when you snore, motherfuckers. You get fucking left out in the dirt.
We should have somebody from another platoon wake him up and be like, hey, what are you doing out there?